Hi there, today I will show you the whole process of making a photo grid puzzle from magnets. I will tell you why you should offer it, what percent of the orders can be puzzles, at what prices to sell them, and if it's worth it. Watch the video until the end. The first step is to prepare the photo. Here comes the question: how do we split into pieces? Some people use Canva, others ChatGPT or different software. Simply type split image to grid in the search bar and you will find plenty of solutions. But I have a custom tool that automatically divides the image. I just choose the photo, choose the number of pieces, and the software makes a ready template to print. The most important thing here is that the edges overlap perfectly, so the final image connects smoothly. My software also adds a mirror part on the edges, so there are not white borders. There is nothing special in the printing process. What matters is to cut very precisely. Even if the cut is off by a fraction of a millimeter, the final image will look wrong. That's why I'm even more careful here than with single magnets. When the pieces are ready, I continue with the usual process. My advice: start with the most delicate parts of the puzzle, like faces. Make 2 pieces first to check the overlap is good, and then continue. When it's ready, you can check how it looks. Now I will tell you why I should offer magnet puzzles. First, to stay competitive. This does not require extra investment from you. You can add it as a different and interesting product to your portfolio. The advantage compared to a single magnet, we can show a whole photo. For example, a company group photo, a portrait, an event photo, family photo, and more, but in more original and modern way. The puzzle makes things easier. Many of our customers order magnets as a gift. They often struggle to choose many photos because that can spoil the surprise, so they choose only one photo. This one photo can be presented as a photo grid puzzle. From my experience, puzzle orders are about 3 to 5% of our orders. They are less common, they take a bit more time and attention, but you should still offer them to build your place on the market. The price should be the same as your sets. For example, if you sell a set of 9 magnets for $20, then a puzzle of 9 pieces should also be $20. In the mind of the customer, the value per magnet must be the same, otherwise they may not buy. With the puzzle, they don't really get much more. Some of my clients decorate with a puzzle of 4 parts and around it a set of 9 different photo magnets. Even if the puzzle is bigger, it still shows only one moment, only one photo. So even if it takes more effort, it is strategic to offer puzzles at the same price. About the shape, I think puzzles should be made from square magnets. Everyone associates puzzle with square pieces. The result looks better. I also offer rectangular magnets, but not for puzzles. I even made a solution for people who make puzzles but have built-in fridges, or their fridge doesn't have metal surface, or they simply don't like putting magnets on their fridge. I created and now offer these puzzle photo frames. They're super cool. If you also want them, I will leave a link in the description. So that is about puzzles. If you don't have them yet, add them now. The time is perfect because Christmas is coming and That is when the demand is highest. Thank you for watching and see you soon.